Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 177 Sport. Starting off here in the bow, great casting area for a great flat style fishing boat. Trolling motor plug is already factory installed, that comes standard. Beneath this forward area, got a dedicated space for a bucket, anchor storage. This is all finished out, a lot of storage that can be used really versatilely. Standard on the 177 is a forward console seat with 3 rod holders on either side with a live well beneath. Here at the helm, got great visibility, of course. Steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt. We have this equipped with a optional stereo system, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, 2 speakers forward and 2 speakers aft next to the helm. We have charging ports for your devices, digital gauges from Yamaha, battery switch, of course. Helm seat is standard. Also standard is storage beneath with an igloo cooler, tackle storage as well. And on both sides, you can see there's a netted storage area to keep other storage items from sliding around. This boat is powered with a 90 horse 4-stroke from Yamaha with hydraulic steering. We've got an optional swim platform with a reboarding step. It makes the boat much easier to get in and out of. There's a look at the transom. And this, of course, is the standard white hull color from Scout. If you have any other questions about Scout's 177 Sport, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com. And again, I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching. See you soon.